Kia ora no koutou. Today, in this lesson, we're looking at tungane. Tungane is brother. Brother of a sister. Okay, so for me, I would not use tungane to describe my brothers. I would always use tuakana or teina. But my sister, if she was talking about her brothers, she would use tungane. Either she could, this is how she could say it. Ko Rawiri, Rawa, ko Kingi, aku tungane. Which simply means Rawiri and Kingi are my brothers. Remembering that this is from my sister if she was saying this to you. Or in other words, a female's point of view when she's talking about her sisters. Her brothers, sorry. Kia ora.